Hello students, today we are with our second video for computer, both for class 8 and for class 9 also. In our last video we have done for loop. Now we'll be doing while loop and do while loop. First we'll start with while loop. How to write while loop? While, then put a bracket, then inside the bracket condition, then put one opening brace, then we write the part of the program that we have to repeat in the body of the loop, and the body of the loop should be always enclosed within braces. So if the condition fulfills, the body of the loop will execute. Let us see one example. Int a equal to 10 while a less than equal to 100. Then put the opening brace of the body, system.out.println a, that will print the value of a. Then we put a plus plus, that means we increase the value of a by 1. So if we execute this part of the program in computer, the output will be all the natural numbers from 10 to 100 till the condition fulfills, that is till a is less than or equal to 100. The body of the loop will execute. First value of a will be printed, then a will be incremented by 1, so it will continue. When a will exceed 100, that is 101, then the loop will stop. Hope you understand. Now we'll see one program. Write a program to display all natural numbers from 100 to 1. That means we are going to display now in descending order. We'll do it with while loop. Class natural. Public static void main string args int a equal to 100. As we are going to start from 100, we initialize a with 100. While a greater than equal to 1. As we are going to start from 100 and going downwards, so the condition is now till a is greater or equal to 1, the body of the loop will continue. Now in the body we write system.out.println A, that is the value of A will be printed. Now we have to decrease from 100 till 1. So we decrease A by 1. We write A minus minus, which means A decreases by 1. So if we run this program, we will see the output 100, 99, 98, 97 till 1 will be printed on the screen. Now we'll see another program. In this program, we are going to display the following series up to 10th term. The series is 1, 3, 7, 13 and so on. The same program we have done before also in our previous video using for loop. Now we'll be doing it with while loop. Class series. Int a equal to 1, c equal to 1, b equal to 2. Three variables we have taken, while a less than equal to 10. That means here a is used for making the while loop to repeat 10 times. Now in the body of the loop we'll print the value of c. A is here only making a loop for repeating 10 times. Print c. So the value 1 will be printed. The next value will be 3. So we have to increase the value of c by 2. But I have not increased by 2. As the series is 1 is increased by 2, then 3 is increased by 4, then 7 is increased by 6 and 13 will be increased by 8. So the increment of c also is done by a variable, that is by b. So we have written c equal to c plus b. The next value of b will be again 4. So b is increased by 2, while a less than equal to 10. So a also has to increase by 1. Then we finish the program. So if we run this program, the output will be shown 1, 3, 7, 13 and continue. Now we are writing another program. Here we will see the use of do while. Do while is the third loop structure used in Java. We have already seen for loop and while loop. Let us see do while with the help of a program. Class natural. I am going to print natural numbers. Public static void main string args int a equal to 1. I am going to print natural numbers from 1 to 10. We'll write do. Then we put one opening brace, that is the opening of the body of the loop. From do statement the loop will start. Now we'll write the part which we have to repeat. System.out.println a. So the value of a is printed, a plus plus. A is incremented by 1. That is 1 is printed, then a is made 2. Now one thing, we have not put any condition how many times the loop will run. That condition we have to put now. From 1 to 10 So we'll write with now while statement, while a less than equal to 10. Now here we have to put one semicolon. You have noticed while writing while statement we have not given any semicolon, but in case of do while we have to put semicolon as the loop finishes here, so we have to put semicolon. Now the loop is complete. A will start from 1, every time it will increase by 1, and when A reaches 10 or exceeds 10, then the loop will stop. So if we run this program, it will display all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Now I will give you some programs which you have to try at home. If you find any problem, you can ask me through WhatsApp. WhatsApp number you will get in our school website. I have given you here 4 programs. All these 4 programs you have to do using for, then you have to do using while, and then you have to do using do while.